What up, Transform fam? One super cool move that I really love that's an alternative to donkey kicks in a tabletop position are leg swings. And I want to show you right now. So, start in a tabletop position, you can extend one leg back. And I want you to lift it up and then hop it over the opposite leg. You're going to swing your leg all the way around and touch the ground. Bring it around and touch. Now, your back will arch a little bit as you do this. Just try to avoid moving your hips and torso too much as you do it. If you need to slide your foot on the closer to the floor, you totally can for this move. Here's what it looks like from the front. One leg is back. You're going to hop it over the top and then swing it as far out as you can down to the ground. Woo, I can already feel my legs working. Now, this is a great mobility move. So if you've had trouble with your hips or your back in the past, it's a good one to start loosening them up and increasing your flexibility. Good luck with this move, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.